Hey everyone! The Xiaomi Mijia Wireless Floor Washer 5 Pro represents a clear step forward in Xiaomi's push to blend high-end cleaning performance with smart, user-friendly design. At first glance, it's easy to see this as just another vacuum and mop combo, but once you look closer, it becomes obvious that Xiaomi has focused heavily on solving the real frustrations people face with everyday floor cleaning. One of the standout features is its use of high-temperature steam cleaning, reaching up to 160 degrees Celsius. This isn't just a marketing number, it fundamentally changes how the device performs. Instead of relying purely on suction and mechanical scrubbing, the washer uses steam to break down grease, sticky residue, and bacteria at a molecular level. The built-in 300-watt boiler heats up quickly and produces a steady stream of steam, allowing it to tackle kitchen spills, dried stains, and even hygienic cleaning tasks without needing harsh chemicals. Backing up the steam system is a powerful 26,000 pascal suction motor, which ensures that everything loosened from the floor, whether it's dust, hair, or liquid mess, is immediately removed. The combination of steam and suction works seamlessly, preventing the common issue of spreading dirty water around. The high-speed roller brush, spinning at 400 RPM, adds another layer of effectiveness by physically scrubbing the floor while the steam softens debris. Xiaomi has also clearly paid attention to long-term usability here, integrating a shark-tooth anti-tangle system that deals efficiently with hair, something that often clogs competing devices. Another area where the Floor Washer 5 Pro stands out is hygiene and maintenance. The self-cleaning system uses boiling water at 100 degrees Celsius to sanitize the roller brush and internal pathways after each use. This is more than just convenience. It ensures that the machine itself doesn't become a source of odors or bacteria over time. The addition of high-temperature drying further keeps the brush in optimal condition, reducing moisture buildup and extending its lifespan. In daily use, the machine feels thoughtfully designed. The motorized assist wheel and low center of gravity make it surprisingly easy to maneuver, even in tighter spaces or around furniture. It doesn't feel bulky despite its capabilities, and the 360-degree flexibility allows it to glide rather than drag. Xiaomi also includes practical touches like an LED display and voice prompts, which simplify operation and keep you informed without needing to constantly check settings manually. Battery life is solid, with a 4,000 mAh capacity delivering up to 40 minutes of runtime. That's enough to cover large living spaces, up to 340 square meters under ideal conditions, making it suitable not just for apartments, but also for bigger homes. The separate clean and dirty water tanks, with generous capacities, reduce the need for frequent refills and emptying during a cleaning session, which helps maintain workflow efficiency. What really defines the Xiaomi Mijia Wireless Floor Washer 5 Pro is how well all these features come together. It's not just powerful on paper, it's designed to streamline the entire cleaning process from start to finish. From breaking down stubborn grime with steam to automatically cleaning and drying itself afterward, it minimizes both manual labor and maintenance. Overall, this is a device built for people who want a deeper, more efficient clean without complicating their routine. It doesn't just clean floors, it rethinks how floor cleaning should work in a modern home. Thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. Have a nice day and God bless you.